kumbobola.
Ja, ja,
Ja kumbobola.
Budia, budia, budia.
Tomba bongo.
Mufinga mfundi.
Banantaku.
Sumbulukata kumambende, oni samuja, otubele, otukala. Ambe sumbulukata kumambende, oni samuja, otubele, otukala. Wajabari
Maela kokele.
Walamba mwamba lamba ntoba.
Seba.
Watombolaka.
Seba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Seba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Na lamba mwamba lamba supwe.
Seba.
Na tombolaka.
Seba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Seba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Tomolotonda kundiri mwamba o. Yokela kanti ni ayokela yokele kanti ni ayokela
yokela kanti ni ayokela yokele kanti ni ayokele
sadila ntangu mufonda nsatunge mwana bakala ntangu ifueni katula mpwinya ja nsungma desiberi gagana ni yembiri kyao na ni yembiri yao kumaina makumalonde kuluyete kuluyema ni kulufonda mwana fonda o na lamba mwamba lamba ntoba
Seba.
na tombolaka
Seba.
wafinga mfundi
Seba.
wafinga mfundi
Bimba.
na lamba mwamba lamba super
Seba.
na tombolaka
Seba.
wafinga mfundi
Seba.
wafinga mfundi
Bimba.
tomolotonda kundiri mwamba o Kiadi mwana bakala katula mpwinya ya tomba mbongo yaye kiadi yaye atak aha deba aha ula Yokela kanti ni ayokela yokele kanti ni ayokela
yokela kanti ni ayokela yokele kanti ni ayokele
sadila ntangu watiri ntweni yange mwana bakala bala bandumba bakwe kulombe mbongo sadila ntangu ifweni nge mwana bakala tomba mbongo bala bandumba na mwabilesi bakwe kulombe mbongo sadila ntangu nge mwana bakala nsungma desiberi gagana ni yembiri kyao na yembiri yao nge mwana bakala vumbuka kutolo wa tomba mbongo nge lamba mwamba lamba toba
Seba.
na tombolaka
Seba.
wafinga mfundi
Seba.
wafinga mfundi
Bimba.
na lamba mwamba lamba supwe
Seba.
na tombolaka
Seba.
wafinga mfundi
Seba.
wafinga mfundi
Bimba.
Msongi ambe nsonge la njila inilanda Munsongi
Songe la njila.
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 Chimao chinjenda Chimao chinazakala kulongo Rana bandu kutabachikana kutela Samu moshukwa unkwamisa Niwa mabuta Kabu njisisansa bala Choma mbukwamba kiri Heka kulukwa shitaka kudema kako
Mwana ngele kwa mye Sima unini mega Malabaku bobo Malabaku bobo Malabaku bobo Mwana ngele kwa mye Sima maulini mega balabaku bobo balabaku bobo balabaku bobo
Munsongi
Songela njila
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 Chimao chinjenda Chimao chinazakala kulongo Nkumbu shitani ya itatu mansangu munzo Kani mwana mamba bambakila mbakiri mambu Kani bala bandonga kwa bansukurila mbakiri mambu Eka ni bala ni kipo ni longo ni biko ni bakala ni lando
Mwanangele kwanye Simaulini mega balabaku bobo balabaku bobo balabaku bobo Mwanangele kwanye Simaulini mega balabaku bobo balabaku bobo balabaku bobo
Najika Nayebesa Nalwika Kabuta bako Kanilumbu Nsalambanza Munsongi
Songela njila
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 Munsongi
Songela njila Mwanangele kwanye Simaulini mega balabaku bobo balabaku bobo balabaku bobo Mwanangele kwanye Simaulini mega balabaku bobo balabaku bobo balabaku bobo Mwanangele kwanye Simaulini mega balabaku bobo balabaku bobo balabaku bobo
Mama Ngana nzila mama lemba nakota kwani kusangi mama lemba Kusangi nikota njecha musu nimbala banku ni mama lemba Nabala malombo ni kwetombe nabala bimpompolo mama lemba Mboko gana banda gana gete kocha mama lemba ni gana nitekela mwa mamba Nchi wala Nitomba mama lemba njene na lamba mwana yake chamuzuna zoza yumanje nina lamba mwana yake Mboko na balaba malombo ni kwetombe na mwamfungu ni kwetombe Gana teko gana nchiwe gana wanla mama lembe Mama ngana nzile tolokolo jaku mama lembe Chiwala Nzadi ambuka ele menena kusomamba diambu dikayemene nde kusomamba ni diambu jantoto kubungu ntoto wega nde kusomamba we na chototo na lubutu diambu ni dio kayemene nde kusomamba mamba menana dzunu cho nicho chigana kalamu kubantu unwa mamba dzunu chantima chikotele ukelo wo ulutawa utakelo muka chena teko cha malemba chekumbamu teko china che bonso kento mukento ebuta zolota ni mwanto fiafiechi mboko kelowo wa malemba. C'est une petite source qui étanche la soif des bêtes et des hommes. Talatin kelowo wa malemba iwo uganaka dzunu kubishimbamu eka bo betu bansoni titaba mori antiwo wanla wayemene naga ndeko sonkelo ni wagana mbutu jina ni jina jisansa kama kanda manka makulu momega na chibelo china Mama bonisa kwani mama sala sala salamu aja tengo mulo sampa shena watu sala sala salamu aja mama bonisa kwani mama sala sala salamu aja tengo mulo sampa shena watu sala sala salamu aja. L'arbre sacré de Tata Malanda Makuruakoma qu'il donnait aux sorciers n'a pas pu finir le kundu. Mumpamba wondele bantu. Est-ce que beto kundu tatu kwamisa yachi kakundu ako bisalu doneno sari tabokesa yachi sala kwa tutatombe ngachi tanunga ambe salu chitukule mama bonisa kwani mama sala sala salamu aja tengo mulo sampa shena watu sala sala salamu aja mama bonisa kwani mama sala sala salamu aja tengo mulo sampa shena watu sala sala salamu aja nti wankasa walemba kana mumanisa kundu mpandu kampandu shiyokele hakundu ninchi ni muntu okwenda kundu mayela mama bote ambaka mpandwe nambe mpandu ni muntu owe misigu mora masamba mama bonisa kwani mama sala sala salamu aja tengo mulo sampa shena watu sala sala salamu aja mama bonisa kwani mama sala sala salamu aja tengo mulo sampa shena watu sala sala salamu aja ritata yekwa Kongo jata ngulu jata Kongo jata ngulu jata Kongo jata ngulu jata Kongo jata ngulu jata pota samulungelangela pota samulungelangela pota samulungelangela mama bale Bina, 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 Congo chi. Congo jata ngulu jata. Congo jata ngulu jata. Congo jata ngulu jata. Congo jata ngulu jata.
Yambote Nengoteriwa. Can you hear me? Nengoteriwa, are you there? Oh, let me say hello to the audience. She has gone. Are you there? Tuton Dele, if you are watching, please do not move. This is Kikongo class. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom. Kikongo is spoken in Gabon. Let me go back. Kikongo is spoken in Angola, Gabon, Congo Kinshasa, and Congo Brazzaville. Okay, I'm alone today. Okay, we are expecting that Audrey, yes. Nengotariwa, can you hear me? Are you there? Let me try to display my file anyway. Hopefully Nengotariwa is around. Let's see. This one. Nengotariwa, can you hear me? Nengotariwa. Tata Kwasi. Oh, strange. Oh, she's there. Nengotariwa, hello.
Hello, Tata Banzu. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can. How are you?
I'm fine, Tata Banzu. How are you?
Yeah, not too bad. Okay. We're going back to, recap, yes. We just want to make sure that we understand Kikongo. We understand, we know what we're doing. We understand Kikongo. So here is, Tata Kwasi is around, but I don't know what's happening. Can't speak, can't hear him. Okay, okay, this is our usual file, yes.
Yes.
Tonic pronoun, sorry. These are the tonic pronouns, yes, Tata Nengotadiwa.
Ingeta.
Yes. I can't hear you, Nengotadiwa, you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Oh, yeah, okay. this column is your tonic. Yeah, pono ngeye yandi.
Yeto
Yeah,
yeno yao.
yeah. These are the standard. Then when we are using on, I mean, the standard pronoun is here. So why this column? Y mean present continuous and X
Yes.
is present tense. So the same pronoun when it comes to continuous, present continuous, we add ta, yes. But on present tense, you keep it as it is. Doesn't change, except of here on third singular. Okay. Then we have these are ame akuandi, yes. We have kwame. I mean kw is your prefix. It gives you insistence, yeah, emphatic pronoun. Any questions that Nengoteriwa?
No questions. I understand.
Yeah, so you are learning so that you can one day teach to others.
My
Yes,
children. Yes.
of course. Yeah, we are learning. So that we can teach other people. So this is double negatives. Kiko, your verb goes here. You put the verb
Between.
in the middle. Mm. Kiko. Remember, let me just try to explain again, just for the audience, people who are following. It is like in French, when you say je ne veux pas, je ne, as soon as you say ne, we are expecting pas at the end. So here we have a Kiko, yeah, this is a Kikongo. So ki, this one is your double negative. Ki goes, Kiko, yes, but the small I is at the same time this small I is at the same time your personal pronoun. It is I, yes? Okay, it's I. It is I in English, as English. First person singular. The small I. Then KU, yes. The U is your U as in singular, second singular. KIA, yes, Katu. Ame Aku, this is very important to remember. Ame Aku Andi, because when you put KW in front of Ame, what do I get?
Kwame.
Well,
Kwame.
which is?
It's the emphatic pronoun.
Yeah, well done, yes. Kwame, Kwaku, son, Kweto, yes. Geye. Yeah, well done. Oh, that. Okay. Anyway, we, we, we might go back to that in the future, but it's very important, very critical. It is very important. Any questions? No?
How do you use the negative for the present continuous? Like if
You
I
mean
want
the
to say,
Kiko? You mean the Kiko?
so
Can you try to say?
instead of saying,
Go ahead.
so instead of saying kuzandu itatuka, I'll say kuzandu. Do I say kita?
Can you say? Can you say it in English, please?
I came from the market. Kuzandu itatuka.
Yes.
So if I want to make it negative, like I want to say I did not come from the market.
Okay, I got you. No, yeah, okay, I see what you mean. 1 minute, let
How
me
do I say
just.
that?
Hello, Tata Oji.
Hello, everyone.
Hello. How are you?
Oh, pretty good. How are you doing?
Good, 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 good,
Oh, doing good.
good.
Yeah, how's everyone there?
Yeah, we are here. We are learning Kikongo. Yes.
Oh, you just have you just have I forget your name. I'm sorry.
Nengwa Tadio.
Oh, well, okay. You just have her today.
And you.
Okay. Well, I'm glad to. I'm
Uh,
sorry I'm late, but I'm glad to
yeah,
be here.
no worry. Thank you very much for your time. Yeah, kite tu kakuzanduko. Nengo tedi, yes.
So I say kita tuka. How do I say it, Tatamam?
Yeah.
Do I say kuzandu kita tukako?
Kite tu kakuzanduko. But okay, we talk about it later because
Wow,
the thing
that's
is
complicated. Okay.
no. The thing is Kikongo is I'm not a linguist, I'm teaching, but people who are learning, I mean, I can blame them. Yes, people are not, they should try to simplify our language. Yes.
How? I'm finding
Well,
difficulty doing that.
no, it's up to them. The people are linguists. They should simplify our language. Yeah. Because Nengwatari was asking a question about how do you say negative. Kuzandu itatuka, I'm coming from market. How do you say it in negative? I was saying that kitetuka kuzanduko. I'm not coming from the market, yes?
Mm-hmm.
So you. Oh.
Yeah, okay. Did you hear me?
Yes, I did you. So you
Yeah,
say
but go
he
ahead.
first and then cause the last thing.
Now the thing is, because we are teaching a language to many people, we're online. There are people who have never been to Congo area, they never heard Kikongo. So that's why I'm careful. I'm very cautious when I'm teaching Kikongo. I just want to make sure that we stick to things that are easy. Yeah, thank you. Tell you.
Mm-hmm.
So people can digest it well. Yeah, this is the aim. We want to teach the language so that people can understand. This is our aim. So, Ingate, okay, let me go jump back. Let me just go back to. We're going back to the same thing that. Yes.
Okay.
You know our motto. Our motto is little but mustard. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Small, never mind. Small, but we want to make sure we know it better. We are there. This is it. You can't have your cake and eat it. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is life.
So about repetition.
Yeah, very, very important. I just want to make sure the little we know, the small we have, master. We know it very well. And then we can teach it to others. Get this, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
You will be sent, yeah? You will be commissioned to go and tell to other people. You see how you say it in the Kikongo, yeah. This is it. Nanga 21, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We are going back to I just want to make sure, brother, you understand it, you know it, yes. So let me go. This is a Kiko, yes.
Mm-hmm.
In Congo, Kiko, you put your verb here in the middle, yes. Your verb go
Yes.
ki, left side, ko at the other end, right side. So kizolele ko, sisters here.
Good morning.
Hello, sister. How are you?
Kiambote. I'm good. How are you?
Well, it's evening where they're at.
Oh, sorry. Good evening. I forgot about the time difference.
No worries. Tutondele, welcome. Yes, I was telling brother and sister Tadiwa that we are going back to we just want to make sure that we know. Remember our motto: little but mustard. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
You can't have your cake and eat it. So we We're doing our best anyway. You are brave people. I mean it. When I say you are brave, I mean it. Yeah. I wouldn't go online live and learning while watching. you know,
You telling us something that you wouldn't do.
you know what? There are people online that I mean, their job is just watching and see if they can criticize. Did you know that?
Oh, of course, yeah.
Yeah.
There are people that they have nothing to do there. I mean, okay, you say in English, busybody, yes. They're sitting there, couch, just, oh no, it should be like this. So, you're brave, yes. So, let us go back to men. These are very important. Kikongo is, I think I did send you a message on Facebook, on, on, on WhatsApp. Kikongo, the first ever African language grammar book. Yeah, did you get that? Yeah. No?
No, I don't remember.
Oh, okay. Never mind. No. I sent to all of you a text. Yeah. Anyway, let us go quick. Time is gone.
Is it in a PDF file or?
No, not the book. Just the message. The message was saying
okay.
that the first ever African grammar book.
Is it a grammar book or a dictionary?
Sorry?
I remember a dictionary.
No, dictionary. Okay. Grammar, it is in Rome, I think. When you say Rome, you mean the Vatican, of course.
Oh.
It is in Kikongo, yes, the first ever.
Mm.
Yes. Okay.
Really interesting.
We are going back to the same thing. Bear with me. Don't get bored because it's very important. We just make sure we know it, and we know it well, because science is science. It is not to be superficial. We need to go deep. Yes, Kiko is standard negative. Yeah, Kikongo, like French. When you say je ne, people are expecting pas at the end. Je ne veux pas, je n'ai pas at the end. So Kikongo, negative, we have ki on your far left and ko far right. Are we okay on that? Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you very much. Then we have a standard. I mean, it is on the next page. These are tonic pronoun, personal pronoun, of course, but they are tonic. Mono, ngeye, yandi, yeto. And in French, you would say moi, toi, nous, vous, so on. But from your third singular, Andy is from, remember this column, very important suffixes, yes?
Mm-hmm.
We have pronoun here, tonic pronoun, but mono, ngeye, mono, me, ngeye, you. Of course, mono is what you have in Latin. Mono, we have in Latin. Coming
Stands
from
for one.
sorry?
Isn't mono means one? In Latin?
Yes, mono, yes, coming from Kikongo, yes.
Oh, I didn't know that.
That's so
Mono
cool.
means one, yeah. You have it in Latin. You have, remember music industry, the mono stereo. Mono means just one channel. Stereo means many channels, yes? That's mono, means one. It comes from Kikongo. The Kikongo precedes Latin, yes?
Mm-hmm.
No doubt about it. Yeah, it is there. Yeah. So, monongeye, you. Then from third singular we have Andy. Remember Andy, Eto, Yet, Yandi. These are from third singular. These are suffixes. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yandi, Yeto, because get this. Some people say Beto. So Y could be B or Y, the prefix. The prefix could be B or Y. No, Y. Yes, we have Y. Yes, this is Y. Yes.
Right.
Yes. It could be B. Some people say Beto. Yen no bow. It is fine. It is Kikongo. Any questions? Sister Kindness, let me pick on you. Any questions?
I don't have questions.
You are fine.
For now.
Yeah. Yes. This colon very important because from these you could have your emphatic. How do you have emphatic first person? How do you, everything is on the screen. First
What do you
person.
mean when you say emphatic?
Emphatic. Yeah, just give me emphatic. First person emphatic. Just the pronoun emphatic. You have a
Like
look. It is on your screen. Look at the prefix and the column suffixes.
are you talking about like Kwame and?
Yeah, well done. So well done. Yeah, Ame is there. Ame, I get Kwame by adding. I mean, by inserting. If you could say that. You could say insert. You put your prefix before Ame, then it becomes Kwame.
Kwame.
Yeah. Okay. Kwenda, to go. Yes. Quiza, Quiza.
Quiza,
To
that
come.
is to come.
Yes. Okay, I'm not going. You have Kiko, yeah. Remember always. If it
is that Quinda?
Sorry. You have your verb here in the middle. You have a Kiko, yeah, just Kiko, then the verb in the middle.
Quindico.
Well done, yes. Okay, now we want emphatic. You have your everything is there on this row. Look at the end, everything is there. Yes. You emphatic after the verb. Emphatic after the verb.
We're on the are we on the right side or?
Yeah. Go ahead. Same thing. Kikwendako, yes. Kikwendako, yes.
Wait, what's the question? I forgot.
No, Kikwendako, it's fine, but we want emphatic. We want to underline. We are not going at all.
Kikwenda Kwameko.
Bravo, yeah, well done. Yes, Kikwenda Kwameko. Remember, Kwame comes from your prefix KW, then Ame. Okay. We are not going, Sister Candace. We are not going.
Quizzical.
Yes, one person, but we are not going.
Oh, we.
Kwenda. We are not going. Is there? Look at on the table. Is there? We are not going.
Is it Kwendako?
Katu, yeah, Katu, yes.
Katu Kwendako.
Bravo, yes. So remember, we want emphatic now. Remember your. Is there your?
Katu Kwenda Ketoko.
Well done, yeah. Katu Kwenda Ketoko, yes. Yes. Another addition. Lenda is can. Lendi cannot. Yes. Lenda can. Lendi cannot. So that. Let's go.
Okay, so would that be Katu Queta Lindico? Would that be that?
Remember, Lendi before the verb, emphatic after the verb.
Katu Lendi Quetico.
Yeah, well done. Yeah, you just dropped. You forgot. You left your emphatic. Katulendi Kwenda Kwetoko. Yes.
Okay.
Katulendi Kwenda Kwetu. Yes. Okay. You many. You can't come. Come is Quiza. You can't come at all. You can't come at all. We're using Lendi and the emphatic. Sister, please. Sister.
Me?
Yes. Yeah. Yes, please.
Okay.
Second plural, yes. Kalu.
Okay. Kalu, Linda,
Yes, yeah, well done. Lindy, yes. Oh, she's gone.
Are you? We can't hear you.
Quinoko, right? I feel like
Yeah, we missed that. Go back. Yeah.
Okay, I know now. Kalu, Linda, Quenda, Quinoko.
Well done. Kalu Lendi Kwenda Kwenda. Yes.
Oh, Lindy.
Bravo.
Okay.
Yes, Lendi, yeah. Linda is positive, can.
Okay.
Lendi
And Lindy is can't.
Lendi is cannot, yeah. Can't.
Okay.
Yeah. American can't. How do you pronounce that? Yes. Okay. Then what tell you? They can't go at all. Then what tell you, please?
Okay. Kabalendi kwenda kwauko.
Well done, Kwauko. Yes, well done. Tutondele. Questions? No? Here.
No
How do you
questions.
use lender?
Sorry?
How do you use lender instead of lending?
No, it's exactly as in English. When you say
Linda,
can,
you can, right? That's
yeah. Lendi
How do
is
you use lender?
what you mean the positive?
Yes, the positive one. How
Ah,
do you use the positive?
okay, I can ask you. You want to have this thing, you know? But Lenda, I can ask you a question. Lenda Quiza. Can you translate into English? That name will tell you.
Can you come?
Yes, exactly. Yes. Linda Quiza. Did you get that, Sister Candice? Linda Quiza.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think
Can you come?
exactly as in English. Can you come? Linda Quiza. But don't worry about the verb lenda. Don't go there. Yeah. Because if you want to say lenda, you would have said lenda quiza. See the transformation, yeah? From the infinitive to first singular. Then what tell you? Yes?
Yes.
Are you there, Nengo tell you?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, it's hard. That's why we just stay there. Okay, Titonde, well done. Let us go to talk. Yeah, you're doing well. Well done. Please. Yes, Lenda, it is your can. Let me just try to write down. Maybe people are following. Yeah, people are learning. Let them just Lenda quiz. How do you answer? I'm going to tell you a Lenda quiz. Answer positive then. Give me the answer. You give the answer.
Who, me
You
or?
say,
No, I'm going to tell you. Sorry?
You sing quiz.
No. Using the verb Lenda. Because Lenda is the verb.
Say,
is the verb and at the same time auxiliary.
You say mono is singer quizer or you just say...
I want you to use the verb lender. It is a verb.
Lender.
Yeah, it is a verb.
Say lender quizer.
Sorry?
Do I say lender quizer?
No, remember the key word, the key word. First singular always nasal.
Oh.
Kikongo.
What is it?
All of them.
Is it key quizer?
Sorry?
Key quizer.
Ah, using
lender.
You did ask for trouble, see? See?
Lendi quizer.
Make your life easy. Man, I want you to use it lender.
Oh, lender. I don't know how to do that.
It's confusing.
Yeah, because that's positive. So I'm trying to cut. So key and co won't even be in it.
Now, if you want to use the verb lender, then you say ndenda quiza. I can come. See?
Oh, ndenda quiza.
Lenda quiza.
No, don't worry about that. No, forget it. Yeah, don't go there.
Okay.
I want to make your life easy.
Also, you add the ND in front of.
Sorry?
You add
no, but
ND
see,
in front of.
You see the transformation from lender to ndenda. See, there's almost no connection. See?
Yeah, no.
somehow in Kikongo you have to find a nasal.
Oh
It's
yeah,
very
yeah, I
hard.
remember that.
Let's say noir to drink. If I want to say I've drunk, I mean, not bad way. So you would have said Ndouini, see, from noir.
Dwini.
Yes, see.
Dwini. I
Don't
remember
worry,
that.
don't worry about, don't go there, yeah. Don't go there. Yes, Mona to see.
I know
Say
that one. It's Mbwenge.
sorry.
Is it Mwene?
Mbwene, see the transformation.
Mwene.
I've seen Mona from Mona to Mbwene. So no, don't go there. Because what you learn here is it is okay. It is enough, yeah, to speak Kikongo. Well, anyway, you are speaking Kikongo. Lenda, for anyone who is watching, people are watching, someone who is watching, lenda means, the verb can, lendi cannot. Okay. Tutondele. Anyway, you asking for trouble. Don't go there. Yeah, make your life easy. Yeah, life is hard, no? Don't want to make it harder. Yeah, then the quiz. Yeah.
Linda Quiza.
Then the quiz.
Linda Quiza.
Yeah, Linda Quiz. Yeah. Mwene, the question. Have you seen Mwene from Mona? Mwene, then you say Mbwene, see?
Buene means what?
Sorry?
Meaning what?
No, Mona to see.
And then you respond saying Buene, meaning yes, I can see.
I have seen. You remember?
I have seen. Okay.
Yeah, yes. But it is hard. Yes. Let us go. Our talk is there. Yes. Oh, let me go back because this is a tradition. We are African. We have to stick to our tradition. We always say thank you to the elders. Yes.
Yeah.
We are African. This is us. No? Be yourself. Don't worry. Thanks to Tata Jean Makondekwa and Professor Hazel Carter. You did well, otherwise we wouldn't be here. Yes, Tutondele. Always honor elders. Yes. Okay, this is not easy peasy, yeah? This is easy peasy. We're talking Tata, Audrey talking to Nengo Tadiwa, first land Tata Audrey, yes, please.
Besinga Kakota.
Yes, thank you.
Nki Antangwa Besinga Kota.
Yeah, okay. Here, because this course is very, very slowly but surely. Make sure you understand this because we are going from 1 to 2. Level. We are going up. Sorry.
Question. Question.
There's an echo there. That's me.
Oh.
Ki antangwa tangwa besinga kota. Kota to come in, of course. Kota ki antangwa when ki antangwa besinga kota. Let me just
sorry. Bad as in bad singer is bad plural. As
you could say Besinga, same thing. You could say Besinga, yes. Did I answer a question?
But the root word is singer, right?
Sorry?
The root word is singer, right? Or So
Yes.
Bay would make it
Yeah,
Bay.
you are right. But you tell me what is the singer? Singer is what?
I have it as we do or we go. Is that right?
Sorry, sister, say it again, sir.
I have singer means we do or we go.
Let me just try.
Is that right?
Yes, singer is future, but let me just try to highlight something very important. Singer is there, yes. Singer is your auxiliary. I shouldn't say it. I'm going to tell you what is singer.
And singer means will. Like
yeah, you auxiliary, yes. For future, yes. Yeah,
well, what does I thought, because I was reading something the other day. I was trying to read it in Kikongo, and it was biblical stuff. So it says best singer, and I thought that meant commandments or laws or something.
Singer is your will, your auxiliary. For the verb is there is kota. So when you say singer, we mean future. Be singer by singer kota. They will. It's okay?
Okay.
She's a condense, yeah.
Okay, so it means will.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, it is your auxiliary. Yes.
That's interesting.
Sorry.
That's not what I had written down from like a few months ago. Okay, I'll change it.
Well, what is Insinger?
Isinger.
Yeah, Insinger.
Isinger. You tell me, brother. You tell me what is Isinger.
It means I will.
Okay, I will. Okay.
Yes. You remember? Can you see my screen? Singer is there.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Singer is there. Singer. Whatever you have before singer is your pronoun, personal pronoun. Yes. This is third plural. Yes. Are we okay? Yeah?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Question to Tata Audrey. Here, first person singular. If I drop this first singular.
Right, then it would be just we say if you remove the Bay from it.
I drop B and E. What would I write here as a first pronoun?
Isinga.
Sorry?
Isinga.
Bravo, well done. Yes. Yeah. You know your stuff, Mama. You know your Kikongo, yeah. Well done, yeah. Singer. Whenever you see singer, worry about the prefix. Okay. Before that, yes. Usinga, you. Nengwa cadence, you many, yes. Here, if I drop a BE.
Basinga?
Yeah, Basinga is third plural, yeah. Could be Basinga third plural. I mean, you many, you second plural, you many.
Oh, I'm not sure how to say that because I know it has a U.
You remember the formula. Tuluba, you remember for plural?
Oh, is it two singer or katu singer? No.
Two would be us, but I'm asking second plural, please. Lu.
Oh, Lusinga.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, Lusinga.
Okay, I see now on my notes. I see. Because the first plural would be two singer, and then Lusinga, then Basinga.
Yeah, well done. Could be Basinga or Besinga. Yes.
Right.
Yes. Well done. Tata, how do you any questions?
No, I'm just looking at the.
Yeah, you know your stuff. You know, you say Isinga. Yeah, well done. Isinga, it's me, I, first person. Yes. Usinga or Usinga, Kasinga, third singular. Yes. Okay. Besinga Kota.
But I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
What about the third singular, which has an A? What do you say?
Sorry?
What would the third singular be
Good question.
for singa? Because it's an A. So you would have E singa, U singa,
Yeah.
or A singa.
Second and third something. Osinga, yes. First,
Kasinga.
Oh,
What is? It's not
Osinga.
Kasinga. I thought it was Kasinga.
I know where
Or
you're
is it a
going.
different room?
I know where you're going. Don't worry. That's that. That's the reason I'm saying that because I don't want to bombard you with stuff. Yeah, no, just
I
Tata.
understand.
Nengo kind of stay that you are well. Isinga, Osinga second, Osinga
okay.
third.
So it
Yes,
must be Osinga
yes.
with
Then
an O, not a U, right?
yes.
An O.
Well done. Yeah, it's you second singular, then O again third singular. Yes, him, her. Yes. Then plural is easy. Plural is two luba. Remember two luba. Two us, we.
Right.
Two we, lu, you, many.
Ba.
Ba,
And
ba
ba.
or be.
Two
This kind
singa,
of
Lu singa, Ba, or Be singa.
yeah, be or ba. It doesn't matter. Yes. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Understood.
Question. Nengo tadiwa. Any questions?
Understood.
Yeah.
No
Understand.
questions.
Don't make your laugh hard. You know. Nengo tadiwa. Yeah. Okay. I was about to write something here. 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Tangwa. It is time. Tangwa means time. Tangwa. Tangwa means time and the planet Sun. Yes, S-U-N. Tangwa. 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 Sun. Oh, time. Yes. Tangwa.
Tangwa.
Tangwa. Sun or time. But guess what? The modern, I mean, the easiest one is use Ngunga for time because Ngunga is bell. Yes?
Okay, that makes sense.
Ngunga
Bell?
is bell. Yes.
You know, like you're ringing a bell, like come in eat.
Yeah,
or something?
yes. Ngunga. Ngunga.
Why do you prefer that over in Tangwa?
Tangwa is confusing. Tangwa could be your planet Sun, yes?
Yeah.
But Ngunga is
But
Ngunga.
when you look at the sun, depending on what, I guess what angle or what time of day, then, you can tell what time it is by, I forgot how to put it, but so that one to me makes more sense than Gunga Bell.
Okay, it's okay. It's fine. You could either use Ngunga or Tangwa. But Tangwa could be I mean, Tangwa is wide, yeah. Tangwa could be period, yes.
Okay.
Time,
Yeah.
and then,
Time.
yes, sun. But bell, Ngunga is bell, yes.
Okay, I'll take your word at it.
Thank you. Okay, yeah, okay. We're stopping 1 minute. Yes, okay. Besinga kota, Kian Tangwa, Tangwa. Remember, A here is just your prefix. You could just say Kintangwa, but okay. Let us follow the big master. Ki Antangwa Besinga Kota. Question, yes? Ki Antangwa Besinga Kota. Sister Candace, can you read the second line? First line, brother Audrey, please.
First line or second line?
First, please. Sister Candace, second, please.
Besinga Kakota.
Thank you.
Nki Antanga Besinga Kota. So
Well
it's
done,
Nki Antangwa.
Well done. Well.
Okay.
Well, good.
So
tone.
no TH?
Sorry?
Is no TH sound like T T and Thangwa.
Kiantangwa, because this is long vowel, yeah? Kiantangwa, yes? It is your, is
Okay.
it your question, yeah? Yes, brother.
Yes.
Kiantangwa, when are they? I mean, basically, what time? Yes. Okay, Tutondele. We're going back to this one. Tutondele. Thank you very much. Unless any questions? Are we okay?
No.
Yeah.
No questions.
Ngunga. Tangwa. Remember? By the way, did you know that? Yeah. Did you know that tango? Well, you could say tango. Tango dance. It is from Congo. Yes. You know that?
Oh no, I didn't know
wow.
that.
Yeah.
Is it Venezuela or Argentina? Where is it? Argentina, yes?
It's Argentina.
Yes.
I think.
We are live. I can't say anymore. Yeah, I can't. Yeah. We are live. Sorry. Yeah, no. I don't want to open my library. Yeah, it is we're live. Yeah. Rumba, some people pronounce it Ramba. Rumba from Cuba is Kikongo, is Nkumba. Nengo tell you what is Nkumba? Nengo tell you.
It means stomach or belly.
Ombi. Nengo tell you, remember? Umbilicus. Remember Nengo tell you. No, if you forgot. Yeah, you know the dance. You touch each other.
Yeah.
You touch. Yeah, that's where the word.
So that's where
it comes from. Nkumba, rumba. Then tango. We did our forefathers. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, we're stopping there. I don't want to. I need to control myself. You should do your homework, man. Go online, see what happened to Argentina. Okay. Sorry, I have to stop there. Yeah. Tutondele. Tango comes from Tangwa. Tutondele on the Gambote.
Sala Gambote.
Sala
Timote.
Thank you.
Kietu yangani kawa uko iwao bongole meso mwene isibudi matu umwidi ikonzo dienu Yeno luvo vangabo kongo diafwa Yeno luvo vangabo kongo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu Bizatala kwenwe Ekulu mimikansi kongo diatungwa Yeno luvo vangabo kongo diafwa Yeno luvo vangabo kongo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu Bizatala kwenwe Ekulu